Now, a lot of people have a lot of different opinions about AI. I am somebody who has a nuanced opinion. I'm not one of these AI is the greatest thing ever kind of bros, but I'm also not like it's going to destroy everything in the world. I think it is, love it or hate it, here to stay, and there are some useful use cases for it. And one of those useful use cases is figuring out how to make these shortcuts. Some of these shortcuts are, I was able to figure out some of these things myself. But figuring out, for example, how to write these AppleScript things, I had to ask ChatGPT how to do that in the first place. After I did that, I was able to extrapolate, like now that I know that keystroke V using command down is command plus V, I can now change that to command plus N for other shortcuts. And you can find, other keyboard shortcuts. And you can often find these in the menus up at the top, like duplicate an action is this, shift command D. So you could put that down. You can also, if you have multiple ones like that, do comma, say shift down if it was a multiple thing like that. If you love the idea of making shortcuts and want to see more possibilities of what you could do with shortcuts, I have a whole longer video all about a whole bunch of use cases for shortcuts, from the simple everyday to the more advanced nerdy stuff. And I think you will really enjoy that. Check that out after this, as well as I have other Apple related videos and non-Apple related videos. Bye.